So over here, you can see that I got these particular connections over here in favorite. I can actually go ahead right here and then connect out onto this particular computer by coming into AnyDesk app right here and by sending out request. But if you want to go ahead and have a faster access, you can actually create a shortcut for that particular computer. So for that, let me just go ahead and close this session. So here what you can actually do is click on menu, and here you can see that add to desktop is an option. If I were to go ahead and click right here, then it says a shortcut link to this address has been created on the desktop. If I were to press OK, now you can see the icon right here. I can go ahead and rename this however I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say laptop right here. So this is a shortcut right here. So even if the AnyDesk is closed, if I want to quickly access out this particular device, simply go ahead and then double click, and you can see that immediately the connection request actually is sent. And then as soon as the other person accepts it, you will be able to immediately access that particular device. So that is how you can go ahead and create out shortcuts for devices that you have for access inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.